This is Derek with Tech and Ministry. I'm going to do another unboxing today. Last time, in my last video, I did an unboxing of a Mackie Pro DX8. And that unboxing will be linked below, and you can check that unboxing out, and we talked about that. That was a 8-channel wireless digital mixer, and so a non-powered mixer that is run by a iPhone, iPad, or something of that nature. So today, I mentioned in that video that I have been running a powered mixer for quite some time, and now switching to a non-powered mixer, I was going to have to buy an amplifier. And one of the things I was looking for in an amplifier was something that was light and yet could perform. I don't need a lot of power. I run two Bose 402s, and they are 8 ohm speakers, only putting about out around 150 watts, so nothing real big and loud or fancy, but I needed something that would comfortably be able to push sound to them, but yet I didn't want to carry around some big heavy thing. So I did some research, and here is what I found. It is called the iNuke NU1000. iNuke NU1000, and it is made by Behringer. So there, you can kind of see what it looks like in the box, but let's get this thing open and take a look and see. One of the things that impressed me, let me just show you here real quick. One of the things that impressed me, as you can see, it's 1,000 watt, but the next one over, 7 pounds, Class D when it comes to the electronics. And let's see here, has a crossover and detent fade, detent on the faders, and also XLR and 1/4 inch. So kind of give you those right there. Okay, now let's get it open. And of course, when you open up a box, one of the first things you usually find is some paperwork. So here's Behringer's manual and a sticker. Looks like that's what that is. And here's our power cord. So that's right here, tucked away neatly. And I'll just tell you, the box, that it's packed very nicely, but it's not heavy. As you can see from the advertisement, 7 pounds is not heavy. So here we go. Let me get this box out of the way. And there it is. And I'll tell you what, it is lightweight, which was one of the big things I was looking for. So let's get this packaging open. I'm actually kind of excited about trying this out. I'm anxious to see what kind of power it does have. But there it is, very, very lightweight. And you can see the front panel there. And then on around, we have the inputs there, fan unit, outputs, and power. So it looks like a very, very nice. It's this part of it is a thin metal construction, certainly not a thick metal, but I think it'll do fine for the type of thing that I do anyhow. And this whole front, these ears are plastic. This whole front face is plastic. These knobs are supposed to have some detent. Yep, definitely have some detent to them, so make it easier to select. There's lights in around here to show volume as well as clipping. Here's the power on and off. Let me kind of get in there, kind of see the lights. So very, very interesting little setup. Let me take out the power cord here. And maybe I can get plugged in enough we can at least see the power turned on, see the lights. So I was pretty excited about this unit when I found it. It had some decent reviews from what I could see, and the lightweight compactness of it was definitely something that I thought would be something for what I needed, and so I decided to give it a try. Obviously this is an unboxing, so we got to see what it looked like. I'll power it up here in just a second, and we can see the lights on it and whatever, see how it works. And then I'll come back later for a product review when I put these two things together, taking the mixer that I got from Mackie, putting it together with this Behringer amplifier, and then hooking up to our speakers and see what it looks like. So we're all powered on, and let me get it down in here where we can see. Turn on the power, and there you go. Lights. You can hear the fan. You probably can't hear the fan running, but the fan is running on the back. And as you can see, have these lights in around the rings. And of course, there's no input coming to it, or else we would have lights running up through here. But looks like a nice little amplifier. I'm anxious to see how it works, how well it runs for us when it's coupled to this Mackie here that I have purchased. Well, here on Tech and Ministry, we do product unboxings and product reviews and talk about this and that and the latest thing. And so today I wanted to do the unboxing of the Behringer iNuke NU1000 that I'm going to couple with the Mackie Pro DX8, and we're going to see how those two work together. And I'll let you know once I put these two together, and we'll do a product review video on these two products. Well, thanks for watching. Once again, this is Derek with Tech and Ministry. Have a good day.